It says repairing video. Hopefully I'm going to be posting this later on and you're going to get to see how to build a reed box. Otherwise, I've been talking to myself like a moron for about 45 minutes. And get this on. I'll stay right in the center. When this is pressed down, the force is going to spread that out. So I'll come on the inside of those. So we got to, oh yeah, there we go. Even that must have been too much. You can see I still have quite a bit on there. We're just going to spread that around. And let's see, actually I was going to do that to the other side, but so double coat it. Let's clean this off. Alright, here we go. And alright, so now most importantly, before we go any further, I need to find the 4mm again. Hi, Pumpkin.
You at Gordon's?
No, home building the motor.
Okay, I'll be quick. I'm having an inspection today. Do you really want to keep that bike that you have here?
Yes, I need it. Just lock it up outside with the other one. Or what, we got 2 bikes outside?
Yeah.
Bear with me, hon. So what we're doing now is we've pressed the gasket and we're finishing the Loctite. We're really turning these down best we can. I know this just slid a little bit, so bear with me. And alright, that's in there like swimwear. I don't think it's going anywhere. We can't over tighten it because we don't want to strip anything out. We got plenty of pressure and we got green Loctite. Green Loctite is actually for high vibration and heat. You put it in a truck bed and you're going to cut the bolts out. That's usually what they do to us at the factory. So that's what I recommend. Some people will use red because they want to get back to taking it apart later on and they feel like that's a solid hold. I might use blue on a couple of just loose bolts on the bike, on handlebars or something. But anyway, so alright folks, hold on 1 second, please bear with me. Hun, what is it? Can you want me to come get it somehow? Can you bring it here or what? Can you just ask?
Never mind. I'll let it go.
Okay. Alright, love ya. Alright, so we got a washer and we got a lock washer. Hopefully I got the right size bolt. Screw. Come on. Come on, screw. Let's try this one. Okay, get that out of the way. Dirty, yuck. There's some more hardware. Get this on. See if that wants to live there or not. Okay, again, what do we got here? 4 milli. We're just going to walk that down. We're not going to tighten it up because we want to be able to get these other ones in. So, I think that was just a problem with the spacing on these teeth. These are not the ones that came with it, as you can tell possibly. I'll just get the other hardware on here for now. They are the same size, it's just maybe the slightest bit more aggressive on the thread. So that's a good thing, not necessarily a bad thing. Just get this, maybe this washer is the problem. I probably didn't account for that. I'll just go ahead and lock these in without it for now. We do want to try to tighten this down at this point in time so that we can let everything kind of seal itself. The Permatex, usually what you want to do is wait 10 to 15 minutes, if not 20 minutes. And what that does is it allows the gelatin stage, if you want to call it that, the gasket forming part of it, to start activating. And once it starts to rubberize, then that's when you want to start to tighten it a little bit more. If you tighten it all the way right at the first, you're kind of ruining your gasket. It's still going to have an airtight seal in a sense maybe, but you want to actually let the material form. You can see now, it started to squeeze just a little bit. I don't have these tight yet. So that's just tight. And we'll actually probably finish that up even afterwards. We're just going to get these just tight for now, but I want to get them all on there in some sense equally, so that the gasket that's being formed has about the same dimension. Alright, wonderful. Alright, well, that's that part of the challenge. And yeah, we're going to change the piston obviously here in a minute, and after this sets a little bit more, we'll get to that. It's a good fit from the, you don't want your piston to just fall right in there. This kind of, I had this ring off, you can tell, but it does slide and stop the way it's supposed to. If it just drops right through, So, meantime, we can make this look pretty, or try to. Wipe away all the excess. You see that's already rubbered up and gelled up from just a few minutes, the 10 minutes before. So, and it's a good thing because we just tightened that down fully with the Loctite before we went to the box itself, the intake, so should come together well. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I'll be back on later.